satisfied with just because we love a little silver and a little gold. But in that city where the ransom will shine, I want a gold one, that silver light. I got a mansion just over the hills. I just don't care. In that land where we'll never grow old, where we'll never grow old. And someday yonder, by God's grace, see my Savior face to face. Walk on streets as pure as gold, on streets of gold. I can't remember the next verse. I don't know it either.
I don't know any.
Poor or deserted or lonely, I'm not discouraged. I'm heaven bound. I'm just a pilgrim in search of that city. I want a mansion, a harp and a crown. I've got a mansion just over the hilltop, in that bright land where we'll never grow old. And someday yonder, we'll never more wander, but walk on streets that are pure as gold. I know there's 4 verses. Yeah, we messed them up when we did the 10 years. Oh, we did? Yeah.